Nous avons droit pour nous vivre, nous avons droit pour nous travailler, nous avons droit pour petit nous à l'école, nous avons droit pour nous vivre dans le pays comme ça doit. Mais pas d'opportunité. Le gouvernement n'a pas laissé pour nous capables de jouer, droit nous que nous devons jouer.
We had all come to Duke thinking that it was a place that would encourage us to use our legal educations to kind of go outside the four walls of the law school and help as we could on the ground. And so we felt comfortable and confident from the beginning that we would be able to do that, even if it was just the four of us going on our own. And as soon as we reached out to an organization doing legal work there and got a positive response from them, that they had a discrete project that we could work on, we went all in, and I think we went ahead and bought our plane tickets that day and then started fundraising after that point.
The need in Haiti is great. The need for legal services is also great. So if you think about a context in which few institutions are working, and one of the things that we try to teach our students here at the law school is the importance of law and the rule of law. So students trained in law can go to Haiti and help out with housing issues, help out with voting issues, help out with economic rights issues, help out with women's rights issues. So there are a number of fundamental, important questions that we take for granted in developed countries.
These are people that have a right to have housing, have clean water, have sanitation, and those things simply weren't being provided to the Haitian people.
Housing and land rights have been a problem in Haiti long before the earthquake struck in 2010, but the earthquake really highlighted these issues. Less than 5% of Haitians hold title to any land, and with the earthquake, the building that housed all these land deeds collapsed, and so almost all of them were destroyed. So there's a lot of chaos around housing rights and land rights, and there's also no space. So almost 2 million people lost their homes in the earthquake, and there was nowhere for them to go.
Gouvernement pas impliqué dans rien, tout ce que ou comme si son monde qui est aveugle, li sourd, li pas attendre le pas ouais. Parce que vraiment, c'est pour le gouvernement de regarder le gouvernement pas comme si pas même connaît nous-mêmes. Pas même misère, nous pas même ça n'a passé même.
We went to Haiti for spring break in March of 2011, and we met with some of the lawyers there in Port-au-Prince with the Institute for Justice and Democracy in Haiti, and then met some of the clients that they had worked with in the camps, people they were representing who were facing these threats of eviction. And kind of the centerpiece of this documentary that we produced is a small camp called CR5, which was in Port-au-Prince. It was a collection of maybe a dozen or so families that had taken refuge there after the earthquake. And the landowner there had been putting pressure on them to leave the piece of property. And so we met with a lot of those individuals, interviewed them, talked about their experience, and some of the things that they were looking at in terms of options. One of the ladies had to separate her family. She couldn't be with both kids because she simply didn't have the means to support them. Another man was going to live with his brother in a small room with his wife and 3 children. His warehouse was destroyed, he didn't have a job, his home was destroyed, his brother's home was damaged. So while this was a better solution than many had, it still wasn't ideal. And then there were simply people that had no idea what they were going to do. They were afraid they were going to be back on the streets. And this is not a way to live a life of dignity. This is in violation of the law, both in Haiti and internationally.
Pour moi-même, non fin grand monde moi et pour commencement grand monde ti monde moi yo, moi ta remè yo vivre belle Haïti. Et si je dis à m'a goumé pour monde ça yo. M'a goumé pour moi et pour rentrer dans cadre ça yo pour comprendre droit peuple haïtien, pour dans cadre droit peuple haïtien, c'est peut-être pour demain pour yo ka wè yon l'autre Haïti.
We always wanted it to be something long-term, and something that hopefully, you know, is sustainable after we graduate. And we didn't know exactly what form that was going to take until we went to Haiti and figured out that we could develop this partnership with people there that would give us projects and work to do for the long term. It became a really natural thing for us to plug into the Duke community because of the Haiti lab and a lot of people in Durham and in the Duke community that are doing work about and around Haiti. It became really natural for us to connect with them and sort of, you know, get everybody on the same page with some different projects.
When I first came here, I was shocked to find out that there were a number of professors around the university that have an interest and expertise in Haiti. Secondly, this university and this law school is extremely supportive of student-initiated endeavors. So you find that professors are willing to support student-initiated endeavors through ad hoc courses, supervise various courses, supervising various projects. You also find that within the broader university that we provide support for our students as well as students in other parts of the university when they're engaged in a broader endeavor. And this is, the law school fits within Duke's Duke Engage mission. So we really want students to come here and to carve a path for themselves, not just follow a particular path, but decide what works for you. And we're willing to support it as professors, as an institution, at the law school, as well as a broader Duke University, to support the mission of the students, so that way when they leave here they can leave this place, this town, this world better than they found it.